Hello everybody and welcome back to Tobias Transforms Kitchen, the show that helps make easy, nutritious, delicious, muscle-building recipes.
Macros for this dish are included here without the added carbohydrate source, as just 125 grams of basmati rice or your favourite carbohydrate. Take your chicken breast, bash that up in a bag, make it all the same size so when it cooks it's nice and juicy.
Time for your marinade. Olive oil, sea salt, cracked black pepper, smoked paprika, hot chili powder. Add in your chicken breast, your chicken thigh, mix that all up well and place on your baking paper. Bake for 25 minutes at 200 degrees. Whilst you are baking this for 25 minutes, chop up all of your veg. You can use whatever quantities of veg and whatever you actually want to add in this recipe. I sometimes put peppers in it, but these are the most dankest things to use, honestly. Get those onions nice and golden, then add all the rest of it in. Make sure that that chicken comes out at perfect temperature. If it is, it's time to chop it up and pop it in that big mixing bowl, ready to add your favourite hot sauce. Once that's all mixed together, weigh that out into 6 portions and you've got meal prep for the entire week. Follow for more recipes and tag me when you make this one.